Tiziana. I bought a new stamper from Aliexpress, and it contains two mini plates. So I want to try it out. So let's open it. Oops. I bought it gold color. So the stamper is like normal, and luckily it doesn't have a cover here because I don't like it when they are closed here and you can't take it off. But this one is open, so that's good. But what I wanted to try was these small mini cards. I don't know if yeah, you can see it. You see, they are really beautiful. And it's really cheap stamper, and I bought it because it's the first time I see that they include two plates. So I thought that was cheap. And this one, and I wanted a new stamper, so this one was good with the two mini plates. So I have cleaned my nails, and I thought instead of swatching the images that are on here, I thought I would make a whole mani using, of course, one of the plates. I thought I would use this one, the big one, or maybe I'm gonna use this one instead. I will see, this or this. So that's what I'm gonna do. So if you want to see if this stamper is good or not, keep watching. So I have decided to start with the small one, the small plate, and I will start applying my base coat, which is und, ready for takeoff, and then I will apply some Deborah Milano, my hometown, by the way. This number is number 99, and it's like a beautiful blue glitter polish. And for stamping, I have chosen Moyou. This one is Ginger Rust, and Essie. This one is really beautiful also. I bought it on a sale this summer. And this one is called Seeing Stars. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's an old polish, but I forgot how beautiful it is. And it's a one coater. I can see that I will not be needing two coats. Oh, it's so beautiful. This is how the polish looks. So I have decided to use this flower here, the one with the small dots around. And let's see how the stamper works, because I haven't tried it, so I don't know if it works at all. I'm gonna start with the Moyou. Here goes nothing. Let's see. It looked like it picked up well. Let me see. That looks good.
Come in, I could seat you by the fire. Listen, there's something I must confide. I know I said that it'd be fine. I know I made it look like it'd be alright. But I think I learned my lesson, and I'm not gonna let you out of my sight. You can call me killer, 'cause I'll bring you to the light. And it might taste bitter when you're answering to God. You can call me killer as you look into my eyes. Nothing but a sinner. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time.
So to decorate the two nails here, I thought I would use this plate. This is from Aliexpress, and it's number JR96. Looks like this. I'm gonna use the same polishes, and then I will use these like sequins, dark blue sequins. So let me see. I'm gonna use this one down here. So I want to say, so far the stamper, it works great, and for the cards they work great. So I can recommend buying this stamper and cards. They come together, and I will put the link in the description. I'm gonna apply some Moyra no smudge top coat. So that I can make the sequins stick. So this is how it looks. Maybe it's a little bit hard to see because the colors are dark and the same, but I think you are able, to see it. So what I'll do now, I'll do the same with this nail, and then I'll stamp my right hand, and then I'll show you the end result. So these are the finished nails. If you like them, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe, and I'll see you for our next video. And remember, all the products that I used are down below in the description box, and I wish you a great day. Bye.
You know my loving is no sweat, it's no sweat. It's no sweat, it's no sweat.